For anybody who isn't already awake, they'll be awake after this. I'll go drive by Brian's house and see if he's around.
Fly by and go.
Yep.
Because this will get crispy. You usually, if you want to work with this without getting itchy, you gotta wet it. But you gotta put a lot of tension on this. If not, it's gonna get loose.
You want me to cut it?
So before we cut it, how does this go on, like this?
Yes.
So whenever you wrap, cut it from the bottom where you don't see it. When you have your bay open, you don't see like
I get you.
strand right here.
Yep.
So go ahead and cut it right there.
Here. My friend.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. You got a flathead, man?
Oh, yeah. She on there.
Yeah. Alright, Geralda.
Hell yeah, dude. Downpipe is ready. So what's going on? Just getting out the spark plugs. Seems like it was definitely running lean. So definitely gonna go through plugs when you're tuning the car. But hopefully not too many, especially since I'm getting these iridium plugs that cost like $60 for a whole set. To which Latrell will say, "Ooh, with your little 4-cylinder," while he has all his LS V8s.